Alright, so just simple operations of how to use the control system. Whatever that the on-off button is showing is what it's doing. So it's on, you go into zones. The systems work best by working by climate control, not manual open. So if you want a zone open, you climate control. If you don't want a zone on, you close it. You go through and open and close the zones as you see fit and set the temperature to what you desire it to be. You can tap on the actual temperature and it'll show you what the actual room temperature is displaying or the sensors reading in the room. Having on just the zones that you need to have on is important. It helps with capacity and reduces running costs and run time. So key element is climate control and or closed, not manual open. This helps you set the mode, you select the mode you want. Fan speed is set, it doesn't matter which one you do. And then on the other side over here, I've turned off the time. This is just a 24-hour timer option. This means that the system will start and stop, which it was set for 0 anyway, so that won't apply. Scheduling, you have basic scheduling into here. If there's a black dot enabled in any of those days, it means you have a schedule set and running. I won't go into that, but we'll go into other videos to see how to do that. There's a help button on every page to explain what each button does, so you can understand what's going on. If you, ideally, we don't want the economy button illuminating green. We want it to be set so it's just grey. All right, that now switches the system off. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful and helpful, give us a thumbs up, because this is the way you're going to be able to make sure that you stay up to date with all the latest content that we produce and give out, and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video. For those who have a question or want some advice on your situation, please leave a comment below and we're more than happy to help you, or you may even find we do a video just on your topic. So we look forward to your comments. If you want to stay up to date with the latest information that we're providing and doing the videos on, push on the bell so that you can actually get the notification from us every time we upload a new video, because it might be just what you're looking for to make your system a little more efficient or help your clients to have a better outcome with their system. If you're facing some challenges yourself with your system, or you need some support, wiring diagrams, parts, more information or tips on how to get the most from your system, please feel free to go across to our website or our social media channels, and we're happy to talk to you and help you with your situation. The more that you follow, the more content you'll be able to absorb, and we'll be able to help you with your situation. Look forward to helping you soon, and have a great day.